from Get Set Up. Do you remember how easy it was to meet people when you were in school? And then when you worked, you naturally met people in your work environment? Well, as we get older, the opportunities to meet others become different and become more limited. In this class, we're going to talk about specifically how to meet people when you're older. In fact, we're going to try to restore some of the way you felt when you were with others in school, because this is a different type of learning online. We're going to show you how to search for other people who share your interests, how to find groups, to find people that for friendships, for intimate relationships. We're also going to show you different apps that you can use to locate people that share your interests. Meeting people is never easy, but we're hoping that this class will help you discover new ways to make it a little bit simpler for you. And we hope to see you in class. Thank you.